Hello everyone and welcome back to Vitiligo Talks, a channel that's based on making sense of technology that surrounds us in everyday life. In this video I will be unboxing and giving you my initial thoughts and impressions on the iPhone 13 Pro Max Silicone case in the colour Blue Jay.
Ugh, Blue Jay fans are the worst.
This is the first time I have bought a case directly from Apple.
Nope, first timer.
Okay, well, we'll take it nice and easy this first time.
I did pay £50 to them, so I have got high expectations and high hopes for this case.
Oh yeah, high hopes, high hopes.
The box that the case comes in is pretty decent, and I quite like the box.
I like it.
On the back, you do have the small plastic strips that were introduced to the iPhone 13 boxes.
Strips, Lisa! Lisa, come back! I've got whitening strips!
After ripping this strip, I got the case out. The case comes with a leaflet, which obviously I did not read.
I have no interest.
Why do we need a leaflet with a phone case?
Why?
All you need to do is take the case out the box and slap it on your phone.
Slap it.
And off you go.
Off you go.
Otterbox did the same thing when I unboxed the iPhone SE 2020 case. Link will pop up at the top. The case comes already stuck on this cardboard mold of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Again, I quite like that, but it does seem a little odd for a company that wants to save the environment and not give you a phone charger.
Yeah, making money.
But would rather waste and chop down trees for their cardboard.
Treebeard, some call me.
I am hoping it's recycled cardboard. So how does the case feel on the inside? Well, on the inside, the case, you get this leathery feel,
Are too hot to drink, but luckily my leathery man mouth can take it.
which I think will protect my new iPhone 13 Pro Max from any falls. The silicone on the outside of the case feels really nice in the hand, and it's very, very soft, and it's actually velvety soft, and I really like it.
However, soft and velvety. Thank you.
Let's put this on the phone and see how well it actually fits and how it feels in the hand. As this is a MagSafe case, you do get a blue ring when you're putting the case on. Nice touch, Apple. I really like that. The phone feels nice in the hand and the buttons are nice and clicky.
Click, click, click.
And I quite like that too. Going back to the ring for the MagSafe, now different phone cases and different colours will actually give you a different ring on your phone. As mine is blue, it gave me a blue ring. The case looks exactly like the one on the picture of the box. I think the Blue Jay colour really complements the Sierra blue
My compliments, Frank.
of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I quite like it. So what do you think of this case and this colour combination? Do you like it? Drop me a comment below.
Comment.
Below me.
As the case ages, I will do a long-term review on whether it was worth getting a case from Apple or should I have bought one from eBay for £5. If you have enjoyed this video, then give it a like, as that will help spread this video to other people. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on new content. Click this video on the left to watch the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which was featured in this video, and on the right here click on this video to see a detailed review of the iPhone SE 2020 from an average consumer's perspective. I have been Vitiligo Talks, and I will see you again in the next one.